Jaja, but we're going to open the toy. But we have to make the line. After we make the line, put it on the line. We need grown-up help, but my daddy going help. But
The instructions. So this is the Ryan World's Make Your Own Goo Kit. We have green, orange,
I want
and
to
purple. Which one should we do first?
Green. I want to hold it.
Right?
Daddy.
What color is it?
Daddy. It's pink.
It's pink.
It's green. Daddy. Need purple. I need purple. Going direct green.
So first we have to add the cooled
Cool
boiling water.
water. And put the sand in.
Not yet. Next we have to add
This.
the goo powder.
Powder. Goo powder.
Ready? What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't know.
Let's get it all in there. What is it doing? Is it dissolving? And I'm going to stir it.
I want to do it.
Be careful because it's a little warm. And now I'll open the green. Now this is the green dye powder. All right, let's put the stick down.
Wow, Benny.
And now let's pour this green goo powder in. You want to help me?
Wow,
Careful.
green.
Let's pinch it out.
That's my favorite color.
Green.
It smells kinky.
How does it smell? Oh,
It smells kinky.
it does.
Ew.
And now we have to stir the goo powder in. All right, Elijah, let's mix it. Can you help me mix it?
Too lonely.
Yeah. Good job. And I'll mix it now. Gotta make sure we get all the powder mixed in there to make some really good slime.
I hold it.
All right. You hold the container, get it ready.
Is it ready?
Not yet. We have a large clump of powder we have to get dissolved into the goo.
Mommy, look at your foot. I help you. I cut. Are you like your sand? No, I cut it.
We're almost done.
Slime? Slime?
Yeah, what color slime?
Pink.
Good job. All right, now let's put it in the container. You have that ready? Here, let me help you with that.
I will.
Okay, good job. Here, let's put this down here. I'm going to scoop it in.
Open it.
Move your hand, please. I can't see.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. And we're going to pebble. Pebble, pebble. Mommy, open it. Play with it.
So now we have to cover it up. And we have to leave it in here for 30 minutes, all right? So we're gonna leave that one down. We're just gonna leave it there.
Oh, pink.
Let's do purple next. All right.
Purple. Green. And wow, look at the pink.
Is that pink kinetic sand?
I play with it.
Yeah, you like playing with it? Is it fun?
Oh, it's making the color. Why are you doing?
You're mixing them?
And then one more. But I'm gonna catch up.
What is that?
Pebble? No.
Whoa, what color is this, Mama?
Pebble.
Purple.
Which? I don't know.
Ooh, look at that purple goo.
Are you helping your sister? What are you guys making?
That pink.
Are you putting glitter?
Giant.
Elijah, what do we have here?
Here. I don't know.
You don't know? Let's read it. It says, "What's in the box? Ryan's Goo Challenge." Well, what's inside of there? Whoa, you see that?
I want to play with it.
Let's play with it. Let's open it. Oh, that's tough. Can you help me? Well, that's some strong plastic. Let's try this.
Well,
There we go. Rip it open. Good job. Whoa, you're strong. Whoa. We have instructions. Oh, what is this? So here it says it comes with one mystery figure. Here, let's set this right there. Do you see the mystery figure?
who can
What is it? Get it. Let's see who you got.
Angel Ryan.
Ninja Ryan. Does it open?
Yeah, you pick up. Angel Ryan. We'll open it.
Here you go.
Oh, we have more characters.
Look, Ariel, it's Ninja Ryan.
Yeah, you need to.
You want to come over here? Come on.
Look at him. Why here? Hands up.
All right, so open it up. Whoa, let's take this off. Awesome. So now let's play a game. Drop them in there. Let's drop. Who's this one?
We'll take it.
And who's this one? And this one? Royal Ryan. All right, let's put this on. Let's give it a good shake here. Can you shake it? Shake it. Let's get him covered in goo. Ariel, do you want to shake it? 1 second, buddy. Let's let your sister shake it. Okay, she's gonna shake the glitter instead. Elijah, come on. All right, close your eyes. Who do you think you're gonna get? Say, pick a name. Which Ryan?
Angel Ryan.
Oh, Ninja Ryan. All right. So let's put it back in here. My turn. You want to go again? Who do you think you got?
I feel Ryan.
Pick a Ryan. Which Ryan? Ninja Ryan again? How is he so good at this game? Ariel, you want to try? All right, pick a Ryan. Which one do you think you got, Mama? Which one? Which one? Who's that? The Ninja Ryan. All right, it's Daddy's turn. I think I got Ninja Ryan. Ryan.
Yeah.
That's Royal Ryan.
Ariel, my turn. Mommy's turn, Mom. Your
Whoa,
turn.
you have goo on your hands. Yucky.
Mommy, my turn. My turn.
Okay, you just went, Ariel, so let's let Elijah go. Pick a Ryan. Who do you think you're gonna get? I think it's gonna be Ninja Ryan again.
Are you cheating?
No? What do you think it is? Wow, which one did you get? Ninja Ryan? What's Ariel gonna get now that Ninja Ryan's out?
Him too cheating at the game.
Who's that, Ariel?
Him too cheating at the game. Him too cheating at the game.
Yeah? You're good at this game, buddy?
Him cheating at the game.
Cheating?
Him cheating.
Who's cheating? You?
No, the Ninja Ryan.
Oh, the Ninja Ryan, because he keeps popping up?
My turn.
Okay.
My turn.
Alright, one last turn.
My turn.
Go. Which Ryan do you think you're gonna get?
9.
I think we need to get more bigger Ryans.
Ninja Ryan.
Because they're not picking the little
Ninja
ones.
Ryan.
Oh, it's Ninja Ryan again. Alright, so Elijah and Ariel have a perfect score and Daddy is losing. Let's see. Let's see. I think this one is going to be... Whoa, this one way down there in the goo.
Either.
It's stuck in the goo. I think this one's going to be
It's live.
Robot Ryan.
Okay. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
It's Royal Ryan covered in goo.
Let me play with it. I want the line.
Come over here. Whoa, almost got in her hair.
I want the line.
Ninja Ryan, again? Oh, but don't pick the slime up, buddy. It'll get all gooey everywhere.
Okay.
Alright, pick a Ryan.
My turn. My turn. Yes. Are you cheating?
No, pick one, buddy. No? Okay, move your hand then if you can't find one. There's a lot of goo in there. It's hard to find.
I got it's a line.
Ninja Ryan again. Wow, this one's favorite.
Oh my guys, the goo ready. The goo ready.
What color is this one?
Green.
Who likes green? Who wants the green one? Would you like orange? Alright, play with that. I'll do purple. This one's too gooey. Oops, I don't think I did this one right. It's still a little watery. Whoa, that's gooey.
Tiki.
See, the orange came out really good.
And the purple.
The green and the purple were definitely too watery.
And the orange.
Oh, look at it. Is it sticky? What's it smell like? What's it smell like?
Oh, like the other one, like that one.
Like the Ryan's Goo Challenge? That green goo?
But kinky.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Almost got her out. There we go. Whoa, cool. Here you go. Hold her. And let me open up all your accessories. Let's see. Is that fun, Ariel? So what'd you get, Ariel? You have the LOL Rocker Chick doll. Whoa, what color is your hair? Blue, yeah, her accessories are blue, but she has pink and purple hair, huh? Let's open them up. So what do we have here in the blue? What is it? Whoa, sunglasses? Yeah, we have 2 earrings. And 2 more earrings, and I think this one is a bracelet for her arm. Wow. We have Roller Chick LOL. And look, here are her roller blades. Let's put them on. Would you like some help?
I'm getting ticking
Here.
again. I
Let's
have to go watch them
do
again.
This one's the left. You know, I don't think it goes on her. It's closed, but it should. Here, we'll figure the jacket out later.
Oh no, later. You know how. What's
There you
this?
go, Ariel.
What's this?
That's the stand, so you can stand her up on there. And we have a little brush for her hair. You want to comb her hair?
I want it.
Here, let's sit her down. You can comb her hair. She has long braids. Do you like your doll? You brushing your hair? Do you like your doll, Ariel? Yeah. You got the LOL Roller Chick. You got a lot of accessories. Let's put them in their little kit. Oh, you want to put some earrings on her?
No.
No earrings? You're playing with your doll? Fine. There you go. It's all open. Have fun playing. What are you doing, Elijah? You're looking for the Ryan figures?
him put to cheat.
Yeah, they're sinking in the goo. Save them. Rescue them.
The red royal lion.
Roy, you gotta find him. He's trapped in the goo somewhere. Can you find him?
I think I found him. Are you cheat him? Oh, no.
Oh, but rescue him. Get Robot Ryan out. He's saying, help me, help me.
Now him broken.
He has goo in his circuits. Here, pick him up. Good job. You rescued Robot Ryan. Thank you.
Put him back in there.
No, he's rescued. Let's get some more out. Rescue the other ones. Here, I'll hold them. Rescue them all. Woo! We saved Ninja Ryan. He's covered in goo.
He keep cheating at the game.
Leave him here. Ah, he fell.
I'm gonna put him back in.
Oh no! Ah, you put him back in?
Oh, mine. I feel Royal Lion.
You feel Royal Ryan? Help, get him out.
Got him.
Whoa, that's a lot of goo.
Are you cheating?
Is he in there? Help, get the goo off of him. Whoa, there he is.
In him package. That funny package.
That's silly.
The Angel Lion and him so big. And so cheating at the game.
Whoa, he's cheating. Oh, he was cheating at the Ryan Goo challenge from the other video.
Him keep cheating at me.
Elijah, are you having fun? All right. Have fun with your playtime, Elijah.
Daddy, I did it.
What'd you do, Ariel?
I did it. I got a jacket.
You got the jacket? Cool.
I did it. I did it.
Good job, Ariel.
Bye.